in some cultures, your legal name is completely different than the name you are known for in society. Let me give you a few examples. Catherine, pretty common legal name, but the thing is that when's the last time you called someone Catherine? Hey Catherine, come over here real quick. Not too often. You normally hear the name Kate or Katie. Same thing with William. It's a pretty common legal name, but when's the last time you've said, hey William, how was your day? Normally you say Will or Bill or perhaps Billy. Let me give you another example. Alexandra. When's the last time you said, Alexandra, sweetie, how was school today? Not too often. You normally say, hey Alex, or Alexa, or Lexi. And the thing is that these names, they're pretty easy to figure out, saying, oh, Alexa, that might be Alexandra, and you can put some sort of connection behind it. But there are some legal names out there that their nickname has no correlation with each other whatsoever. They could be polar opposites. And well, now here comes the question, what's wrong with this? Nothing, absolutely nothing. It's all good. But would this really be a perspective building workshop if I didn't add a little bit of complications? Not really. So let's say if you're taking a stroll down the street of the community that you live in, and you are walking with full confidence that I know pretty much every single one of everybody that lives here. And let's say if a car stops you and asks, hey, do you know where Elizabeth Doe lives? Then you'll be like, Elizabeth? There's no Elizabeth here. You're in the wrong place. And then you come to know that Elizabeth is your next door neighbor. But since you've known her for Liz your entire life, you just never had the idea that her legal name was Elizabeth. So here is where my unique thought comes into play. But before we get there, there are some organizations that keep track of your legal and your nicknames, like hospitals or schools. But the thing is that there's no centralized database for the common people like me to figure out, hey, does this nickname work out with this legal name? Like, are they the same person? And with this, it would just make it a lot more easier to realize, oh, this person that we've been calling Liz our entire life, their legal name is Elizabeth, and it works out a lot better. And now, the implementation of this idea might not be too feasible, but here at Non-Academic, we're not here trying to validate our unique thoughts. We're just trying to get as many in as possible. And if you haven't guessed it already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day life. And if I could get my unique thought by just noticing different names, then you can too. So make sure to keep your eyes and your mind wide open. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.